Hi everyone, welcome to The Explorer.
I'm Miss Jane. I'm Huan Pang. Today we will look at grammar. We will revise simple present tense. Please take out your workbook and then turn to page 12. Take a look at exercise 12. So what you're going to do today is you will need to rearrange the letters to form a correct word. So take a look at number 1 now. So before you do, I will do one question with you. So the first question, she goes to school by, so you look at this one, A-C-R. You need to rearrange the letters. So what word comes to your mind? What is the word? Okay, it starts with C. So all these words you have already learned previous lesson. So this first word is C, and then followed by A, and then R. Yes, okay, so the word is car. So please fill in the blanks. She goes to school by car. Okay, so then the rest, number 2 to number 10, you will need to do it all by yourself. If you don't know, then you can actually take out your phonics book and check the answer. Okay, so pause the video and do it now. Okay, so now it's time for you to check your answers. So take a look at all the answers. Do you get it correctly? So number 1, I want you to read together with me. While I'm reading, then you have to read it as well. Number 1, she goes to school by car. Number 2, my mother cooks with a pan. What is a pan? Pan 就是平底锅 So 我的妈妈呢就用一个平底锅来煮东西 So she cooks. My mother cooks with a pan. Okay, next. Number 3. My sister always wears a cap. My sister always wears a cap. 我的姐姐时常穿一顶帽子 Okay, cap. 帽子 Okay, next. Number 4. There is a fan in the room. There is a fan in the room. 那个房间里面呢有一把风扇 A fan. Next, number 5. I eat a bar of chocolate. I eat a bar of chocolate. Okay, so this one you have learned the word bar, remember? 就是一排一排的巧克力 Okay, next, number 6. Tom turns on the tap. Tom turns on the tap. Tap 呢，那时候我们教了，就是你的那个水龙头。So Tom 就开那个水 turns on the tap. Okay, next, number 7. Mary pours some water into the jar. Mary pours some water into the jar. Mary 呢，倒一些水进那个 jar 那个瓶子里面 jar. Number 8. I take a nap on the sofa. I take a nap on the sofa. Take a nap 就是小睡，在哪里小睡呢？就是在那个沙发上。Okay, take a nap. Number 9. My friend has a beautiful doll. My friend has a beautiful doll. 我的朋友呢有一个漂亮的洋娃娃。Has a beautiful doll. Last one, number 10. That man stays in Nibongtobao. That man stays in Nibongtobao. 那个男人 okay, 他是住在 Nibongtobao 的。So, these are the sentences, 10 sentences. So why do you need to read? Because later I'm going to use the words from this page to write sentences. Okay? So make sure you know how to pronounce the words. Please check your answers. Okay, and next, this page, exercise 11. You have already read it last week. Do you remember? Okay, so if you forget how to read, then you have to listen to me one more time. Okay, look at number 1. I like strawberry jam. I like strawberry jam. Number 2. Peter has a big bag. Peter has a big bag. Number 3. The doctor gives me a jab. The doctor gives me a jab. Number 4. She is very sad. She is very sad. Number 5. I love my dad. I love my dad. Number 6. She wipes the window with a rag. She wipes the window with a rag. Number 7. This handsome lad is my brother. This handsome lad is my brother. Number 8, sorry. Number 8, the policeman naps the thief. The policeman naps the thief. Number 9, Jane likes to eat ham. Jane likes to eat ham. Number 10, my mother goes to the shop buy a cap. Okay? So, this is for your exercise 11. Remember to read it once. Okay? Now, please take out your grammar 1. Get ready. Okay, so now take out your workbook and turn to this page. Remember your exercise 12. So put it aside at your exercise book. 簿子放在旁边，然后这个作业簿呢也是放在旁边。Because I'm going to choose a few sentences from this book and then we are going to make another sentence out of it. Okay? So now what I want you to do is you will write this word first, making sentences. So 写在你的这个簿子里面 making sentences. Once you're done, then we are going to write number 1A. So number 1A, please copy this sentence. She goes to school by car. Remember, just now you actually do it in your workbook. Remember, C-A-R, car. Okay, so now I want you to copy into your exercise book 1A, she goes to school by car. Write it now. Okay, 现在写. Okay, then after that, you're going to write B sentence now. So, B sentence, you have to listen to me say in Chinese and you're going to write it in English by yourself. Okay, so 1B, after writing A, then you write B. Okay, B sentence, you don't have to leave a line. Okay, 不用空行，不用空行。Write B, subject, 我去学校 okay, by bus. Okay, 我去学校 by bus. So just now you actually write by car, right? So now I want you to use the word by bus. So 是 subject 是 I. So I go or I goes. So you have to remember I go or I goes. So you see this one. The answer should be I go to school by bus. Alright, so this sentence I will write for you and the following I won't give you the answer. So I want you to know what I want you to do. So look at this. 1A you copy. B sentence you have to listen to me. 我去学校 Okay, 我去学校怎样呢 By bus. So this should be the correct answer. I go to school by bus. Just now it is goes. 因为 are you we they he she it one goes. Okay, so are you we they go. I want you to take a ruler and then underline the word go. So please do it together with me. Underline the word go. So this is your work. 动词啊 go. Then your A 动词是 goes. Okay, understand? So 1A and B done. So you can pause the video and you write it slowly. Okay, so once you're done, then you have to leave a line. 再空一行，然后才写 number 2. So now number 2A. Number 2A, this sentence. My sister always wears a cap. My sister always wears a cap. 我的姐姐时常穿一顶帽子。Okay, so always wears a cap. Then your B sentence will be 他们每天穿一个蓝色的帽子。他们每天穿一个蓝色的帽子。So subject 他们 they 每天 so remember the word 每天 is every day 是放在句子的后面的 usually okay so they 穿是 wear or wears IUV they wear he she it one wears okay so they wear or they wears okay they wears what 一个蓝色的帽子蓝色 blue okay blue cap 几时呢每天 is called every day. Okay, so you have to write the word they wear a blue cap every day. This should be your answer. Okay, so they wear a blue cap every day. So take a look at this. They wear a blue cap every day. This is number 2, B. Okay, and then after that, I want you to underline the word, your verb. So this one you underline wears. This sentence you underline wear. Okay, you get it? Okay, then next, let's continue with the 3A. So 3A, do it the same thing. Copy the sentence, I eat a bar of chocolate. I eat a bar of chocolate. Okay, 我吃一排巧克力 A bar of chocolate. And then next, continue with your B sentence. So B sentence, you listen to me, your Chinese, okay, the Chinese words. B sentence, subject, John, J-O-H-N, subject, John, John 时常吃一排的巧克力。John 时常吃一排巧克力。So John, J-O-H-N, John 时常 is the word always. Okay, so I want you to use the word always. Always eat or eats. John, how many person? One person. Okay, so you have to use eat or eats. John eat or eats. Okay, always eat or eats a bar of chocolate. Full stop. Okay, so please write now. John 时常吃一排巧克力。John 时常吃一排巧克力。So 3, 2, 1. The answer should be like that. John 时常吃一排巧克力。John always eats. Yes, because John only one person, so that's why it have to be eats. Eats what? A bar of chocolate. Full stop. Alright, so that is for your number 1, 2, 3. Next, let's take a look at number 4. So number 4A, you need to copy this word. Tom turns on the tap. Remember just now I told you, Tom turns on the tap. 就是 Tom 呢去打开那个水龙头 Okay, turns on the tap. So now, what I want you to write is your B sentence. Okay, your B sentence. 我 subject 我 subject 我开那个水龙头 So I turn on or I turns on. I turn on or I turns on the tap. I repeat. 我打开那个水龙头 So you see my B sentence. I won't write for you this answer, but I will give you the word the tap. Okay, so please write it by yourself. 我打开那个水龙头 I turn on or I turns on the tap. So if you can't listen properly, then you have to repeat the video again. Okay, so now next, number 5. I take a nap on the sofa. I take a nap on the sofa. 我在那个沙发上小睡 Take a nap on the sofa. So now the B sentence. I want you to use the word the little boy. 那个小男孩每天下午 每天下午 every afternoon， 每天下午在那个沙发小睡 ，okay take a nap 小睡。So I have given you the words the little boy, so take a nap or takes a nap on the sofa every afternoon. So please write the correct answer. Take a nap or takes a nap. That is for your number 5. And up next, I want you to turn to this page, exercise 11. We are going to use the words from this page. Exercise 11. 现在我们是看这个作业的这一面，然后再找那些句子。So, your following word will be number 6A. 6A, copy this word. I like strawberry jam. I like strawberry jam. 我喜欢草莓酱。I like strawberry jam. So next, B sentence, I want you to change the subject to William. William 喜欢草莓酱。William 喜欢草莓酱。So William, you have to use the word like or likes. Like or likes strawberry jam. So it's very easy. You just need to change the words by looking at your A sentence. 看 A 的句子你就会怎么写了。Okay? So listen properly. William 喜欢草莓酱。William 喜欢草莓酱。William like or William likes strawberry jam. Okay? So once you're done with number 6, let's continue with number 7 now. 7A, Peter has a big bag. Peter 有一个大书包。Peter has a big bag. Your B sentence, I want you to use the subject Tom and John. Tom and John. So Tom and John, how many person? 1 person or 2 person? So Tom and John has a big bag or have a big bag? Tom 和 John 有一个大书包。Tom 和 John 有一个大书包。Tom and John has a big bag or have a big bag. So that is for your number 7B. Right, next, number 8A. Number 8A. She is very sad. 她很伤心。She is very sad. She is very sad. That is for your number 8A. Next, B sentence. B sentence. The boys, okay? The boys subject. I want you to change the subject. 那些男孩们很伤心。The boys. So you have to think now. The boys, how many person? So 记得我们教过的 I am, you are, we are, they are, 多多 are. He is, she is, it is, 少少 is. So the boys 是多还是少？ Okay? So 如果是少的话呢，就是 is. 多的话就是 are. Alright? So the boys is or am or are very sad. Okay? So please write your number 8B. And then your number 9A. Number 9A. She wipes the window with a rag. She wipes the window with a rag. 她用一个肮脏布，可以用一个布来抹窗。She wipes the window with a rag. Okay, next, B sentence. B sentence. I want you to change the subject. I want you to change the subject to the students. 那些学生们，给学生们，多多学生，学生叫做 students. So 那些学生们时常用一个布来抹桌子。Change the word to table. 刚才是抹窗对吗？ Wipes the window. So I want you to change the word to wipes the table. But you have to ask yourself, the students always wipe or always wipes? 学生多还是少？ Okay? 去想啊 The students always wipe or the students always wipes the table with a rag. Okay, that is for your number 9B. Number 9B. Next, number 10A. Jane likes to eat ham. Jane likes to eat ham. Jane 喜欢吃这个午餐肉 Okay, likes to eat ham. So next, I want you to change the subject to Jane 和我 Jane 和我 Jane 和我喜欢吃 ham. Jane 和我喜欢吃 ham. Jane and I, okay? Jane and I 喜欢吃 ham. So the word is there at your A sentence. So you just need to change the word, okay? By listening to me, Jane 和我喜欢吃 ham. So it's very easy. You just need to think, okay? 想一下是什么字，然后再来写。听不清楚，听2次、3次、4次，你一定可以写到的。Okay? So please write now, number 1 to number 10. So for your homework to be sent for today's lesson is you need to take a picture of the answers, number 1 to number 10. 那今天的功课呢，需要交来的是你需要拍照第1题到第10题的答案。So 今天的功课呢是会需要写比较多 ，It's a little bit tedious, but it's okay. Eventually you will learn from it. OK， 是一定会学到的，怎样去分辨有 S 跟没有 S。不会的话呢，就再听多几次，就一定会写。Okay, so you have to learn how to write it. Number 1 to number 10, take a picture and send it to us.
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Subscribe to Explorer for more lessons. Have a nice day.